We're about to skate something really fun. Open it up. This actually came into the mailbox a year ago, and I just discovered it.
Hold on.
What does that stand for?
That's not really ASMR though.
It's satisfying.
It's too loud of a pop.
Satisfying.
Satisfying, yes. ASMR, not quite.
Whoa, what's this?
What is this? I actually don't know what it is. Looks like to me like fiberglass.
I thought it was ceramic.
Hi guys, I'm an artist living and working in Providence,
Rhode Island.
Rhode Island. Okay, sorry, I don't know
It's a country.
You can see some of the work at my website, Tumblr, and Instagram. Links provided below.
What up?
Right
Just go down a year.
You want to take over? I can't read right now. It's too early for me.
How about you get a paragraph, I'll get a paragraph, and Fetty gets a paragraph.
Yeah, Freddie, you get the last paragraph.
Fetty, you have to teach you how to read.
I made you a cardboard board out of stuff laying around my studio, mostly sheets of cardboard held together with epoxy resin, sandpaper grip tape, and a little fiberglass for added strength.
Okay, Fetty, I'll help you if you need it.
No, you said you were in the next paragraph.
I'll read one sentence and then you read a sentence.
All right.
My wife and I recently had a baby girl, and your channel has provided me hours of entertainment during these long sleepless nights.
Oh, what? What is this? We're doing a video?
Come on, Fetty, read a sentence.
Read a sentence?
This one right here. It's also
inspired me to dust off my skateboard.
Wow! He did it.
I can't read.
I'm looking forward to finally landing my first kickflip. Keep shredding, Eddie Villaneuva.
Eddie, thank you so much. Literally, I think it's been a year since you sent this, and I'm really sorry. This came to my apartment, and then in the move to the Braille house, things just got a little bit messed up. So now we're gonna skate this, and I appreciate it very much. I hope by now you've landed that kickflip. If not, dust off your skateboard yet again and go land it. Are you willing to drill the holes?
You gonna let me have that much responsibility?
I want to give you that responsibility. As the Tesla employee, I trust you with the most precision. Oh, we missed something here.
Is that a gummy bear I stepped in? Why?
That's awesome, first try. So this is made out of cardboard. I'm really scared it's gonna break, especially with you fat people.
I weigh $115, so speak for yourself.
I weigh more than you think.
What, 178?
170.
That's actually impressive. You definitely look like 132.
We are ready for the experiment.
There you go.
Ooh, that was satisfying. Hey, real quick, thank you guys for 3 million subscribers. That is literally the most amazing thing ever. We love you so much. I can't believe you guys put up with us for that long, so I really appreciate it.
It makes you feel better. I can barely stand Lance too, so.
Yeah, because you go up to his shoulders.
Oh, what? But he got my back.
This is gonna work, I promise you. Gosh, this is not working. Where's Aaron?
Aaron, we need you. Here's the question. Will it break? Sir, will it break?
Which one?
This one.
Skateboard made of cardboard.
That's so confusing.
No.
Okay, there we go.
Oh, it's actually. Hey, actually not bad. Woo! Nice try.
Oh boy, I heard it flex a little bit.
I know. Try to be light, as fluid as possible. It's not too bad. What do you think, Fetty?
Oh yeah.
Really light, dude. So Oh! Already, huh?
Come on. You said it wouldn't break.
I was wrong.
I didn't even get to try anything.
Well, I say that one side.
I only trust him.
How much do you weigh?
135.
You put the heaviest guy on there.
You are far too fat to skate.
Yep.
Yeah!
Yeah, you can ollie the 5 on it like that.
Sure you want to do that right now, or should
Yeah,
kinda
right
make our rounds?
Land bolts.
Pen pineapple, apple pen.
How come he can do the 5 and it doesn't break, and you do a kickflip and it completely snaps?
I didn't even do a kickflip. I did try to pop.
Freddie, you have a problem.
Yeah, too many rodeo cheeseburgers.
How long has this been a problem for you?
Rode it ever since I found rodeo cheeseburgers.
We gotta help him, folks.
I didn't land bolts. In case you're wondering, folks, I don't need coffee. This is how I get my blood flowing in the morning.
Is it flowing in the right direction?
I should have just landed the first one. Should I just try it again?
Yeah, if you're willing to.
Well, now.
Freddie? Why?
Couldn't even ride it. Ow!
Yeah, it's made out of cardboard.
Yeah, I'm cardboard of this video.
Not even the lightest guy prevailed on that one.
It happens from time to time.
We did a kickflip first try.
Hey, can you not throw away our trucks and wheels, please?
Oh, wait, my.
Can you not throw away your life? That's pretty crazy, actually. It's like, it is literally cardboard, and the fact that we did the tricks that we did is amazing. I expected it to break, but not not just while popping, but I didn't really realize how overweight Fetty was. So anyway, you can't win them all. So now, since we're all here and we're ready to roll, we're gonna do a full part game of skate. Pretend like it's on cardboard though. So Fetty, don't skate. Rochambeau.
Pen, pineapple, apple, pen.
He's first. He's good.
No slide. Huh?
We gotta start easy. This is the first game of skate. I'm not gonna kill myself.
On a no slide? Like, come on.
We could die on that.
You would not die on a no slide, you know it.
Aha. Bolts.
Oh no.
I'm not done with mine. There we go.
Today I learned kickflip.
Yeah.
After this,
Yeah, we can do that.
this kid is too good. Nice.
Woo! I barely popped.
That was awesome.
Have
You
fun.
told me I act like I'm on cardboard.
I've never done this.
QP, what's up? Just gonna see if I can be super annoying in this video and piss everybody off. Uh-oh, he said let's go to the 5. This is where the hard double flip comes out. If you guys think Carlos is an absolute freak, leave it in the comments below. Hey, that's not supposed to be first try.
Thanks, Carlos.
You got an idea?
I'm gonna land this for you.
Do it, buddy.
All right.
You got this right here. Carlos will give you a water bottle. Oh!
50-50 to hubba.
Can you guys please get Carlos at least one letter?
Did he say 50-50 kickflip?
No, just the hubba.
Oh.
Betty's like, well, so much for warming up.
This one's actually way scarier than the one at Braille House. It's like
Why?
Mario Kart, I guess, because like when you hit it, it just gives you that boost of speed, man.
My heart fell to my butt.
Nigel's contemplating what he's gonna do next
Oh,
with
I
that
know where
evil
Nigel-
grin on his face.
I know where he's going.
The Grim Reaper. Don't feel guilty, Nigel. You have to do what you have to do. Well, I did ask you to get him at least one letter.
At least one.
If Fetty dies, it's Nigel's fault.
That's for Vinny Bond.
Yo, Vin, if you're watching this, we miss you, buddy.
You might as well just try it.
Dang, there's some history going down right here. Everybody is pushing their limits and boundaries.
I haven't skated a rail in so long, dude. I'm gonna take the letter on this one. Not trying to get broke off just yet. Reason for it, guys, I have not skated a handrail in like over a year, so I wouldn't have known what like to do.
You got that shit. Well, that was short-lived.
Uh-oh,
He's gonna do a
here we
no
go, here we go. I didn't know you got those.
Yeah, I just learned them.
That was sick. Everybody is skating great today.
Such a
nice guy.
yeah.
I don't know what to do next. Out of tricks.
At least I know how to fall.
I know exactly what he's gonna do. Oh, touche.
I don't know what I'm doing.
I'll take this L with pride if he lands it. I knew it.
Yeah.
It's
over
like
willy.
an over willy.
Going like that.
It's some sorcery,
I don't
okay?
know how to do it.
Only somebody with as many tattoos as Fetty could pull that off. All that can happen is you could die.
Yeah, it's the worst.
Heck that.
Heck that.
Heck that.
That's my new favorite phrase. Heck that.
Wait, if I land pop shove first try, can I come back in? I'm so scared to try this. I don't know why. No! Oh well. I tried. It's off to you guys.
Fetty is being savage.
That's funny. That's my first time ever even trying that.
That was a good try. You
Oh, man.
really got into it.
Heart dropped. It's like one of those things like you go for it, you're like, I'm gonna try it, and then halfway through your heart just drops. You're like, never mind, I'm out.
definitely thought my board was about to break.
Putting this right here. I'll give you a high five.
Alright. Deal. Nope.
Carlos out for blood. Yeah. This is an amazing first game of the day. We're just waking up. You guys all came to play today.
My foot landed right there. Like, I caught it and whipped it back with the wrong foot.
Nate, what you gotta do is whip your hair back and forth.
Wow! I kind of just want to keep skating this. It's fun.
That was impressive. Ooh. I've never seen Fetty do this.
Oh, I kicked it away! There's so much stuff going in my head right now. I can't even.
First tee, like it was nothing.
I had to do it with the rock there, but you know what? I'm gonna be nice and there.
You're too nice, Carlos. I wouldn't. You're too nice.
Oh.
What? Fabian's leaving.
Fabi's traveling?
Yeah.
He's gonna land it right here. I told you, I called it.
Fabi's leaving? Fabi. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Looked like it hurt when you slammed into the nipple.
Kinda did. That's like all you tray flip. That was tight. I've never tried that.
Dude, it's fun.
I can do it this way.
It's really fun. Dude, alley-oop is so much funner.
That was literally the worst try ever. Alright, right here. Go fast and commit.
That was the cardboard skateboard plus a game of skate.
On everything.
So I hope that you guys enjoyed that.
That was a good game.
That was. You guys should follow everybody who played in the description below. I will put their links. Definitely show them some love. And I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching our videos. I do read and respond to the comments every day, and I appreciate your feedback. And if you take the time to leave a comment, it's really awesome, especially if it's a nice comment. That means a lot to us. But even if you leave what you think, if you didn't like the video and you tell us, that's okay. It's still nice to hear from you and to get your feedback. And thank you for 3 million subscribers. It's literally insane. We never expected this to happen.
That's like 6 million eyeballs.
Out of all the people, my mom is only one of those people. So there's still 2,999,999 subscribers.
I'm part of the solution too.
I found Nigel.
Oh, hey.
Oh, hi Nigel.
Welcome.
Did I miss something?
We're just saying bye to everybody.
Oh.
Can I hit the secret gap for the ender?
Yeah, it ended off with the secret gap.
What's the secret?
A little bonus.
Oh. I was thinking about that.
Click on this playlist right here for all the videos in this series. Click here to get Skateboarding Made Simple. It's the most comprehensive lesson plan ever made, and it teaches skateboarding better than anything else out there. Go to brailleskateboarding.com. You won't be disappointed.